So we have a meeting here. This is where our meeting. Oh, this is Brad Pitt's car. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tululaway ko.
Hindi ko pa napapanood.
Panoorin mo. I watched it 3 times already.
Super nice.
It's nice. I like the story.
So Peter is the one that orients you. This is more his thing. I'm much more on the hospitality, tenant, customer experience side. He's more on the motorsport side of things. Like we've reshuffled the way that the whole company works. So everything that's, whether it's food and tenants, food, beverage, driving, motorsport, education, things like that. Sorry, Gas Marina. So after COVID, I swam across the bridge.
Ooh, it's cold. Oh dear. Oh my god. Wow.
So be very proud that you're celebrating this.
We are doing a catering gig here at Louvre at Phuket, and it's for Una Bulaquena, a gala of history and beauty, brought to you by our good ambassador, Ambaver. Maraming salamat sa pag-organize ng event na to. Ngayon, pakita natin yung behind the scenes ng konti. Pasok tayo sa kusina, tingnan natin kung kamusta na. So this is a French kitchen that is filled with Filipino chefs. Hello. Jay, kamusta ka?
Ayos na, chef.
Ito na naman sila. Hi chef, kamusta? Chef, kamusta? Mabuti. So, di ba nung nag-pop up tayo, nangingibago daw sila chef kasi lahat na kinokol, di ba? Ano to, yung pagkain natin. Ngayon, pagpasok ko, nangingibago rin ako kasi French kitchen, French brigade, pero may dahon ng saging, may atsara, may may kanin eh. So yun, nakakatuwa lang kasi natatawid natin at nagagawa natin mga kabagay-bagay na akala natin hindi magawa. Katulad ng na-hold ako sa security nyo kanina, tagal ng hintay ko kasi maigpit na pala dito ngayon.
Nag-igpit po, chef.
Umigpit, so okay, everyone's just doing their job. Kain na.
The program is 6:30 by 6:30. The guests will enter to register. 6:45 to 7, continuously pass around for non-alcoholic.
Hi everyone. So from our side, we will be handling all food service.
So everything will be going to garbage. We'll have garbage there. You can just directly put it inside.
And then we'll go.
We're gonna have a group photo before it starts.
You wanna do a huddle before service?
I think we're okay. No, okay na tayo, no? No need for a huddle, no? Yeah. Okay ka na?
Ayos, chef. Wala pa akong beat kasi.
Big Jan, okay ka na? Okay. Alis na tayo dito kay Chef Jan kasi alam ko yung itsura ni Chef Jan na do not disturb me. Yan. Okay na kayo, ha?
Yes.
Ikaw?
Okay na.
Ikaw?
Kumusta po muna?
Okay. Parang kahapon lang, ano? Okay ka na?
Okay, chef.
Okay ka na, Renz?
Okay na, chef. Spiral na ang lumpia.
Okay ka na?
Okay po, chef.
Ito yung lumpia. Fire na. Pero hindi ba malayo pa?
Ito, papaya pa po ni chef dyan po.
Okay. Sigurado kayo, ah. nag-activate yung fire alarm, so we have to all go out. Pero okay naman kasi at least makapahinga tayo, makapahangin yung mga tao. Pero may stress. Yan, stress. Ito, hindi. Happy silang lahat.
Next. Bigyan.
The Minister of Culture of the United Arab Emirates.
Young Filipina from Bulacan, a province known for its wealth, cultural refinement, and strong nationalist sentiment.
Okay. 300 packs. Hindi pa tayo nagsa-start. In 5 minutes, nagsa-start na tayo. Si Fritz ay tumatawa dahil nabigay ako ng instruction kanina and he proved me wrong. Si Big John ay antok na or gutom or bored na.
Halo na, sir.
Ha?
Pag nalarga natin ng mga dalawa-tatlo, larga ka ng cost. Another item. Larga ka ng mga
Yan. Yun yung magaling na general. Okay, labas na tayo dito para makabuelo sila. Masarap.
Food tasting before we serve.
Kasi, punta yung mga please, pag dumating. Palabok lumpia po. Pakiano mo na, garnish mo na siya.
Is it good?
So good.
Palabok? What else do you like?
Which one?
All? What's your favorite?
Kare-kare, palabok. I didn't try the sisig yet.
Oh, grabe. Okay, may bukas pa ha. Marami pa dyan. Sige, go.
Pataklo, tama. Okay, go.
Sabihin daw siya sa yellow.
So, ang gagawin natin ay 300 halo-halo in the span of 1 hour. Pero very capable team.
Chef, try na lang yung pang... More complex this.
First time mo nakita na medyo nagalit si Mike. Medyo lang. Oh, no! Nak ng toko. Huwag na natin purihin si Mike.
May kutsara.
Ito yung kutsara para sa ano.
Gusto ko lang tingnan.
Wow. Parang iba na yung tingin ko kay Mike. Gawa ba ito ni Mike?
Chef po. Chef, parang mas masarap kain mo, chef.
Parang baka ginaya niya to. Ha? Sobrang sarap. Pero normally kasi sablay yun eh.
Try.
Pachampas yan. So after the event yesterday, yung sa Louvre, okay naman, nag-enjoy silang lahat and basta mamaya ako na ikwento yan. Ngayon, papunta tayo sa ating super late na Christmas party for Kuya and yeah, today is just about unwinding and really not talking about work because it's been really stressful and tiring.
I wouldn't wanted to drink, pero I'm on antibiotics.
Ah. Finn, are you afraid? Ooh. Na hindi ka nahihilo sa dagat. Ah. Finn, what?
Ay, bonamin ka ba dyan? Baka mahilo.
Ay, naku, wala akong bonamin. Ay,
Bayad din kayo sa buggy. Oh, medyo tight tayo. Okay.
hi brother, how are you?
Fine.
Oops. Hello, kumusta? Hi, kumusta?
Medyo tight lang, chef. Welcome. Hello, taxpayer.
Retake to.
Last year kasi, dito rin tayo, di ba?
Upo lang kayo.
Iba lang yung panahon. Kasi pa rin yung sitwasyon. Pero pareho pa rin yung team.
Yan. Sadik.
Finn! What? Finn? One? Naku! Ang saya. Speech!
Sige pa, more halo-halo. Halo-halong 20 minutes bago lumabas. Okay, so let's start.
Ano yan? Ba't may papel yan? Bakit? Bakit papel? Plane ticket ba yan? Wait, no jumping! Ano yan?
Sisimulan na muna natin.
Land title ba yan?
Hindi kasi guys, bukas nyo pa makukuha or sa Thursday, kaya print it out ko na lang. Nanalo ka na ba? Hindi ba?
Pwede mo mabitayin. Pwede mo ba? Beta mo na. Lugi ako.
Simulan natin sa una. Bunot ka.
Yan.
Ako. Ikaw. Paul. So ito na yung last prize.
The grand prize goes to...
Sabi ko, wala na naman ako pangalan. Sino siya? Limuel.
O, ikaw magbigay! Ay! Teka lang! May oposisyon!
Objection!
Yung sinabi ni Chef JP sa amin na he wants to make a history dito sa Dubai. Then syempre nag-expand ako kay Chef JP na, Chef, I want to be a part of that history. Then syempre, di ba, yung location natin sa Marina, syempre parang nag-question ako, malayo, ganyan, pero full ako sa mga na-share ni Chef JP. Miss Des, thank you din. Miss Des, thank you sa lahat na shinare nyo nga sa pagtitiwala. Andito pa rin yung kuya, kahit wala tayong bahay ta. Pero yung tao kasi yan, yung tao yung magiging kuya. Yung mga nandito pa rin, don't stop on learning. Even though nga may natutunan na kayo, Reniel, Big Jan, keep on growing. Huwag kayong kumumpiyansa kasi alam mo na to, alam mo na yan.
Alright. Enjoy. Okay. Tapos na yung party namin. Masaya talaga. Ligpitan na. I think yung pinaka magandang kliyente yung mga F&B. Kasi automatic yung ligpit. Okay, the Anglo strikes again. Sobrang maximalist namin mag-pack. Pero kasi may plus one tayo. This guy, you did not sleep. Mamaya. Or, yeah, someone's excited. You did not take a nap. Oh, see? You're so sleepy. Nilalabanan mo. Oh dear, hindi ko napindot.
Pinindot.
Shit, nag-vlog kasi ako eh.
Akala ko may narinig ang boses. Sabi ko, oh, ito.
Say bye to Anish, Finn. Okay, let's go home. Family photo, Mina. We're going to miss Nanny Mina. Finn, are you gonna miss Nanny Mina? Are you gonna miss Nanny Mina?
Yes. Say yes.
Bye, Chris. See you on November. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
She's Mina. Nanny Mina's leaving, Finn.
Bye.
Say bye. Sige, Mina, alis ka na. This is our first time traveling Korean Air, and my first time traveling with Finn, and it's a 9-hour flight. I believe, no, it's a 787 na bago yung configuration, meaning the direct aisle access, and kasi last minute namin tong binook. Mamaya ituloy natin yung kwento pag nakaupo na ako. Anyway, marami akong utang na kwento sa inyo. Airplane for the first time? Come here. It's an airplane. Look. Oops, 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 oops. What? It's not a car. It's a car. Oh, it's an airplane. So, konting recap lang. Hindi konti, medyo maraming recap. Tagal natin hindi naka-vlog kasi we're so, just, running 100 miles per hour, trying to just, Kuya right now, I mean, we're ending our stint at Radisson. It's our last week, so come October, wala na kami dun. It is a temporary pop-up, or it was a temporary pop-up. And then we're moving to Market Island hindi naman for the meantime. It's a smaller version of Kuya. And then meron kaming pop-up sa Global Village from October 15 till April ba yun? So yeah, first time magkakaroon ng Filipino cuisine sa Global Village sa Dubai. I believe hindi pa siya nangyari, and pero hindi siya, guys, madali. Meaning at first it was not easy. It wasn't a walk in the park to convince them that we are worthy to be there, because may nagsabi na isa na yung Filipino food daw ay para lang daw sa mga nagtatrabaho and para lang daw sa atin. Pero we keep proving them wrong that it's not. We keep reintroducing ourselves that, there are different sides of us. We keep fighting. We keep standing our ground. I mean, di ba? I think yung important na hindi may dilute yung kultura, especially ako kusinero, hindi may dilute yung pagkain natin. Sabihin nila, oh, you have to adjust it. Yeah, in a way, you adjust, but at the same time, you have to keep the essence. Kung adobo yun, adobo dapat. The other day, nag-debate kami ng konti sa isang pinatikim ko na, marami sila, about adobo. Kasi yung iba sa atin, sanay tayo sa adobong matamis. And again, adobo is pakanya-kanya. May sariling timpla ang bawat isa. Suka, bawang, laurel, peppercorn, asukal, soy sauce. So, paano nangyari ang adobo? Diba? Kasi we needed it to preserve. We needed the vinegar. So, at least, in my humble opinion, kung adobo, pagtikim mo, kailangan huli mo yung asim. So, pero, again, look, kaya medyo nagdebate kami kasi medyo nilapag ko lang na ganun. Pero at the same time, bukas pa rin yung utak ko and makikinig pa rin ako. Kasi at the end of the day, you're not cooking for yourself. You're cooking for your people. You're cooking for, you know, for your cuisine. And syempre, gusto mo rin ma-happy sila. So, ang ginawa namin, sige, adjust natin yung tamis, iakyat natin yung tamis. Pero yung suka, nandyan pa rin. Hindi pwede na pag kinain mo yung adobo, tamis agad. And tamis sunod. Hindi pwede. Tamis, asim. Or sabay. Depende. Again, pa kanya-kanyang adobo. May adobong puti, may adobong, you know, maalat, etc. Anyways, okay, next. Louvre event namin doon, 300 packs for the Philippine Embassy to celebrate our painting, Una Bulaqueña. Ang ganda ng mensahe ng ating ambassador, si Ambassador Ver, Alfonso Ver. Sinabi niya, pinakita natin yung, you know, pinakita natin na world class tayo sa arts, sa fashion, and sa pagkain. And sa saya. Yung saya. Yun yung part ng kultura natin eh. So, it was such a cool experience na everyone, yung Team Phuket, it was their day off. Sila Chef Ian, sila Jennifer, Pascal. Thank you so much. Pascal is the F&B director of Phuket. He's from France and he loves Filipinos. And yeah, he gave us you guys gave us the platform. Also, Louvre, thank you for always accommodating us, for always giving that yung stage na mapakita namin yun nga, yung pagkain pa natin. And patok na patok yung halo-halo. Everyone worked hard. It was everybody's first time to do this event or to do such an event. And because parang nandun yung puso, nandun yung, I mean, you know, di ba, nandun yung determination na gawin. Kahit na inexperienced tayo, natawid siya. So yeah, just to recap, that was, it was meaningful because, you know, syempre, it was for love of country. And imagine in a French kitchen, nagpapalabas tayo ng lumpia, ng palabok, ng halo-halo. Sobrang grabe. Yung halo-halo, sobrang blockbuster siya. It was a hit. Siya yung star of the show. A recap of what happened with our Christmas party. Imagine, pa-October na, ngayon pa lang kami nag-Christmas party. Kasi ganun kami yun nga, everything was unsettled or hindi kami makasettle hanggang ngayon. Meaning, wala kaming bahay. Wala kaming permanent na bahay. Yung sa Radisson is a temporary pop-up. Then we're moving to Market Island, smaller version of it. Smaller version of Kuya, limited menu, pero may mga bago tayong ilabas dun. And then yun, Global Village. So I guess, yung salo-salo natin, ang ganda ng sinabi ni Christian, yung isang FOH namin na I'm sure nakikita nyo yun sa pag siya yung pinaka-friendly and pinaka-masikaso na staff namin. Isa sa lahat naman, pero kilala nyo yan si Christian, yung mali, yung basta, yung pogi na lakas uminom. Okay, sabi niya, yung journey daw ni Kuya, 4 years na, parang boat ride. May time na maalon, matagtag, may time na smooth sailing, and may time rin na yun, nanonood tayo ng sunset and nagre-relax. Pero yung sinabi niya, yung tumatak talaga sa akin is natatawid pa rin natin lahat kasi we have each other's back. Nagtutulungan tayo and one house, isang pamilya. Yung mood ng aming Christmas party, hindi siya kasing saya or kasing riot ng first one. Pero it was meaningful. It was parang everyone just wanted to relax and everyone just wanted some stability. And yun nga, I guess because we all trust each other, kaya may stability kami. Basta, okay, teka lang, ang lalim na. Teka lang, punta tayong Korea ngayon, tsaka na yung kwento about Korea. Basta, we're going to Korea.